real ghetto bitch. Real Atlanta shit. The fuck, big back bitch. Queen of motherfucking Atlanta. I'm shitting on all these bitches. These bitches can't motherfucking touch me. Big girls, A plus. All that shit, and that's just that on that.
I'm on a whole nother level. I've been in my bag and I keep getting better. I'm getting richer, that ass getting thicker. My diamonds, they keep getting wetter.
Hey YouTube, what up? It's your girl. It's your girl. It's your motherfucking favorite girl. And I am back at it again with another video. And I am about to go to Ikea. I'm currently in Atlanta right now. And I'm gonna go to Ikea and see what I can find there, because it's not an Ikea where I live, and I tried to order something off of there and didn't realize Ikea didn't deliver. So I'm like, hey, I'm here, why not? Might as well just go there while I'm here and whatever. I should have got up earlier. It's now 5 o'clock. It's 5:58 going on 6 o'clock. I should have got up way earlier and went out, but I pulled like a muscle in my back, y'all, and my back hurts so bad. But I'm like, whatever it is, stuff gotta get done. So we finna just go. Like, we finna just go, and we're gonna see what happens. So, yeah. Bitch. I'm just, ooh, my back hurts so bad. Y'all don't understand, my back hurts so bad. It's like inches right there. Oh. Yo, I'm so happy. I'm finna get my table. I called them, y'all, to come. Well, I called them to see if they had the coffee table that I wanted. They said they got the coffee table. Then I called them to see if they had the TV stand that I wanted. But they don't have the TV stand that I wanted. And honestly, the TV stand might be doing a little too much, because, y'all, I have a car. I'm a Nissan. So it's like, I don't even know how the box is finna look or anything like that for me to be trying to put a TV stand up in there or whatever. I don't know. So, you know, I don't know. But I'm kind of like excited to see what they finna have. I haven't been to Ikea in so long, y'all, for real. I ain't been to Ikea in a long ass time. I ain't been to Ikea in so long. So they have one in Chicago, but they don't have one in Alabama. They don't have one in Tennessee. And I be always want to live in these country ass places that they'll have this stuff. So it's like, I just ain't been in a very long time. But I'm happy that I'm here now. Yeah, so I just want to see like where this coffee table is or whatever, so I can get my stuff and I can go about my day, because I'm hungry. I ate all freaking day and I'm ready to eat. That little mirror is cute, and I'm gonna show y'all some little stuff too. I don't want to be doing too much talking, because when you be talking to yourself, people be looking at you like you crazy, like something wrong with you. Well, I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to y'all, but people be looking at you like you crazy. So I ain't got time for none of that. So yeah, let me get me a cart, because I want to get, like, besides the coffee table, I really want some plants. I want some plants. Girl, these carts are sweet. This baby stuff, I need to look at this. Looks really cute. No, it's not that comfortable. That's the chair I'm sitting in, a great one. It's not that comfortable. Could I sit back in this? I don't know. It feel okay. Yeah, I'm going the wrong way. Everybody coming this way. I'm going the other way. I'm gonna have to walk back this way. Oh no. That is cute. What is it? Bar cart. Kitchen cart. Look at this little cart. This is really cute. This kind of cute. Ow. That's low, but it's cute. See? Maybe I should put it. That's kind of cute. That is so pretty. Oh no, yeah, look at this one. This part is so irritating. This is beautiful. That refrigerator is cheap as hell, y'all. That refrigerator is less than $2,000. Girl, please. Really? Y'all can furnish y'all whole house Ikea and really not spend a lot of money, for real. And it's so chic looking, like everything is just real clean and real chic. You know what I want though too, y'all? I want a jar with a lid on it so I can put my straws in it. This is the TV stand I said that I wanted to see right in my face. Right in my face. The lady said they didn't have it. So now I'm lost. And like I need to talk to somebody because I want this. I wonder if that's gonna fit in my car. I wonder if that's gonna fit in my car, y'all. Oh, I'm so concerned. I want this. Like, what are you supposed to do if you want something? Like, seriously. Like, seriously. This is so confusing. I really haven't been home this time because, baby, that's what I want. That's literally what I want. Apply for a credit card here. You would think they would have people in every section or something. I don't know. What am I supposed to do? Like, I want the TV stand, but what am I supposed to do? It was another one I seen, but I don't see it over here.
Is that what this is?
I don't think so. It's white. I know that.
Is it a TV stand?
Mm-hmm. No, that's not it. Oh, all of these over here, little TV stand. No. No, I don't see it. Yeah, y'all probably don't have it. Cause it's kind of, I feel like if y'all did have it, it would be over there. Cause it's kind of similar to them.
Yeah, because some of the, not all of them are this way. So they might.
I think, is it that one? No, it's, Hold on. Yeah, when I say this is the most confusing fucking experience I've ever had in my life, like, seriously, what the hell? Like, what the hell? I'm lost again. Okay, wait a minute. Wait. Oh, fuck you. Damn. You can't smell good. Wait a freaking minute. Oh, that's just plants. No. I want the... Let me cut this light on. Oh my God, y'all, my back hurts so freaking bad. Like, when I say I dead ass just do not understand what is wrong with my back. Like, I can't even like breathe. My back feels like it's like burning. Like, if I turn my head, no, I don't hurt if I turn. I feel stupid when I just did that. But if I turn my head, not turn my head, if I do like this, like, ooh, like it hurts so freaking bad. Like, it hurts so freaking bad. But I'm just glad I got my coffee table for my house. It was only $50 at Ikea, and I got some more stuff I'm gonna show y'all when I get home tomorrow. Shoot. Yeah, I'm mad about my back right now. And I had to get somebody to help me put this stuff in my car because I real life cannot, when I tell y'all, my back, bro, and then it don't help because this fucking piercing. This piercing is sore as hell too. Like, don't look at me. I'm looking at my belly button, nigga. I can, you know, see? I'm looking at my belly button, but when I tell y'all, like, it hurts so fucking bad, bitch. So motherfucking bad, bitch. Ugh, I can't even breathe. Like, I gotta control, like, everything. But, so I'm gonna go get this vegan food. Like, when I can't eat vegan food, y'all, I eat it. Like, when I can go buy some vegan food, I go and buy it. And I don't care how much it costs, I'm gonna spend it because I want to be vegan so bad, and I'm really manifesting it. But it's just like I gotta learn how to cook it. And vegan food is really, really expensive because it's extremely healthy, which I understand, you know what I'm saying? When my finances stabilize and it's like, okay, baby, we get into that bag, we getting that bread, and then we gone, then I can really just be like, okay, I'm a vegan. So I'm manifesting that this year, that I'm really just become a vegan, and my bag is just overly full. And the way it looks, like I'm getting there, y'all. Real shit, like I'm getting there. And I'm just really proud of myself too. I'm accomplishing a lot of stuff. I'm accomplishing a lot of stuff that I want to accomplish, and that's just period. I'm blessed. So to the creator, I want to say thank you. To the universe, I want to say thank you. To my parents for creating me, I want to say thank you. To my family for help molding me, I want to say thank you. To my friends or people that just I fell out with, I still want to say thank you. To the people that I have lost in death, I want to say thank you. To the animals that are around me, I want to say thank you. And to myself, I want to say, well, goddamn, bitch, we done almost did something. So thank you. But yeah, y'all, I am sitting at Ikea still. People, I hate, like, when you're just doing like regular shit, people just be looking at you and just be like, what's wrong with you? Like, bitch, is it a crime for me to sit here in my car and talk to myself? Like, what's the tea, honey? What's the tea? You tell me. Like, the fuck? And then y'all, this girl in Ikea, like, I hate asking people for help because their attitude was just fucking stank. Like, attitudes just be stanky as fuck. I don't know where my where my toffee is. Is that what it's called? Y'all, I be forgetting the names of my own goddamn products. Mocha Marie toffee. No, it's not toffee. I don't know where latte is, y'all. I cannot find my latte. And I don't want to have to pay my own damn self. But it looks like that's what I'm gonna have to do. It looks like I'm gonna have to pay my own damn self. Oh, I found that too late. But it looks like I'm gonna have to pay my own damn self. So I can get some more lip gloss. But yeah, I'm just sitting here for like the next few minutes just so they can get my order ready. I'm gonna pull off at like 8:35 so that way I can get there and probably only have to sit there for a few minutes. I'm going to Life's Bistro because I guess they seen this slutty vegan posted me, and they liked some of my pictures, and so I was like, okay, let me go on their site and see what they got. So I was like, oh, okay, they do got some good stuff. So I commented on their pictures. I commented on one of their pictures, and I DM'd them today, and I asked them what they were. Well, I commented on one of their pictures like days ago, but I DM'd them like a few minutes ago. I asked them what time they closed, and they told me. And so I told them, okay, I'm gonna come there and order. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? I'm about to come get some food, try y'all out, and then do a mukbang on their food when I get back to the room. Cause honey, my body is tired. My feet's tired. I'm tired. The traveling. I don't know how the hell I've messed my back up like this. This bad, y'all, but it's horrible. And I'm gonna have to just lay down and figure it out. Pack my bag, get ready so I can leave in the morning because I'm leaving early. I miss my baby so much. I just hope they didn't fuck up my damn house. But yeah, so I'm about to listen to some Brent Fayez and Chris Brown. I will let y'all know when I make it home or to the room. Okay. I look so crazy. Like, lashes is a big thing. But okay, guys. So I am back, and I have some Life Bistro. This is gonna be my first time trying it. The greens smell good. I can already smell the greens. So I got some Rasta pasta, and yo, bitch, I know you, man. Yo, this looks so good, G. Y'all, this looks so good. Hold on, let me show y'all. Yeah, oh my God. Man, y'all. I just look so washed out. Like, ugh, I look like a... I don't know. I look funny, but whatever. Is it the brows? Like, something just looks off. But y'all, this food, it looks so bomb. And then to drink, to go with it, I got alkaline water. It says pH 8+, which is really good. Naturally alkaline spring water. I'm about to smash to the Lord. Thank you. Let's pray. The glory belongs to the Most High. I'm so excited, y'all. Man. The pasta is so good. Let's try one with the shrimp. I really gotta learn how to make this stuff. I'm gonna order me some vegan cookbooks. That's what I'm about. I'm gonna buy some vegan cookbooks. I don't know what to talk about. Little pesto sauce. Hey, snap. I don't think I'll ever get used to eating on camera. And really seeing yourself chow down, bro. It's so good. I need to invest in the camera. The quality just looks horrible, but it's so good. I'm so glad they started liking my pictures. I would have never knew about them. Let's try the greens. You know me, baby. I love greens. Man, what? Worth every penny. Worth every penny. I bit the fork. My gritty butt. Ooh. I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say, honey. I don't know what to say. This might not be a mukbang. It's gonna be a watch me bang. Watch me bang. Watch me bang. Girl, what? This is why I miss living in Chicago, y'all, because you could go find anything that you want. Like if I say, I want to try some Moroccan food today, I can go find a Moroccan restaurant. If I say, I want some real, a real cheesesteak, I can go to Greektown and get a real one. Like, come on, man. I mean, you can get a Philly anywhere in Chicago. Like, Philly's is, you feel me? Philly. We got the Phillies on lock. But Regaro, where you got Phillies, Regaro. But we got Greektown, we got like the Athens. Greektown is actually like a little town in Chicago that's just like dedicated to Greece. Like we have a little Mexico, like all Mexican heritage and culture. We got a Chinatown where it's literally like, it looks like a mini China. So that's why I just like, it's so annoying when I move to places and they don't have no culture at all. It just, I'm used to so much culture and diversity, but going somewhere else, they don't have that. So I'm happy I came to Atlanta because, baby, I knew they had the biggest needs. I knew it. Okay. I should have got two of these, G. I should have got two of these. The alkaline water, it tastes different, bro. Like, it's so good to me. Like, it's really refreshing. It's really refreshing. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna have to go in and end this video. Because I don't know what to talk about. This shit is good. I can't talk to y'all and eat this. How can I talk to y'all like this? I should have got black eyed peas too. Damn, I know them black eyed peas probably good. I will leave some for my mama in the morning. But baby, way it's looking, way it's tasting, and I'm feeling, she might not get none. And that's the real tea. But Life Bistro, y'all did y'all thing. Highly recommended. 10 out of 10, honey. 10 out of 10. Only thing about vegan food I hate, y'all, it's expensive as fuck. It's expensive for one plate, but the portion is huge and it's worth it. Your health is your wealth, so it's completely worth it. But I do wish, like, it was like I can go to Wendy's and get some vegan food for $4. But that's just what they did to us. Made us think that you spending $30 on your food is too much when it pertains to your health, that you rather eat some processed GMO food that costs $4. It's like, you shouldn't even want to eat nothing that costs $4. Like, you wouldn't want to buy something that costs $4 because you know the quality's not gonna be that good. You shouldn't even want to eat nothing that costs $4. That ass, like, that's horrible. But I'm slowly coming out of that mindset. Health is wealth, and when it comes to your body, a check means nothing, and that's on period. So highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. It's so good. Yeah, we gotta get back to these vegan ways. Especially as black people, like, we didn't used to eat animals. I don't care what nobody tells you. We did not eat animals at all. At all. I feel like we didn't have no choice, honestly. That's all I'm gonna say. But we didn't used to eat animals. We didn't. We was one with nature. Black people are nature's babies. We did not eat animals at all. Animals are a part of nature. So I'm trying to get back to that way. Go my queen status. I'm trying to get back there. I'll be working on it. I'm gonna invest in some vegan cookbooks. So if y'all know any vegan cookbooks that are good, that's like soul food, because I don't want no bland old, you feel me? I want some of that dough. Some of that deal right here. You feel me? So if y'all know somebody got some vegan cookbooks that's real good, soulful and flavorful, send them to me so I could buy them and start cooking the meals and the reviews, stuff like that. I done said bye to y'all about 5 times and still ain't got out there. Who's good? I am distracted. I am distracted. I can't even say it. And I have been craving some good pasta, G. I've been craving some pasta because, G, I'm finna move here. Just for this. And this is not promo. I know I said they DM me, or I mean they found my page and started liking my pictures, but this is not no promo. This is just genuine love, like dead ass. Genuine love. This shit is so good. To the owner, you did your thing. I commend you. I respect you. And I love you. That's it. If y'all in Atlanta and y'all trying to go vegan, try it out. Or if y'all in Atlanta and y'all just wondering, what's vegan food like? Try it out. It's so good. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, y'all. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I love y'all so much, and bye.